When importing a used goods vehicle into Uganda for the first time, you'll generally pay import duty, value-added tax, withholding tax, infrastructure levy, and where applicable, environmental levy, depending on the year of manufacture. Please take note of the gross weight and year of manufacture because they are key in computing the right taxes to pay. Goods carrying vehicles pay import duty of 10% or 25%, depending on the gross weight. Those whose gross weight is above 20 tons pay 10%, while those below 20 tons pay 25% import duty. Such vehicles also pay VAT of 18%, withholding tax of 6%, infrastructure levy of 1.5%. And if they were manufactured below 9 years, such vehicles pay no environmental levy, while those manufactured beyond 9 years, but not more than 15 years, pay environmental levy of 20%. Please note that trucks with gross weight of less than 4 metric tons that were manufactured beyond 15 years are not allowed into Uganda. The taxes above are levied on the customs value, which comprises cost, insurance, and freight. And for used items, including motor vehicles, the customs value is predetermined by customs based on the fallback method. The values for all the used items are listed on the Used Motor Vehicle Indicative Value Guide, which is available on the URA website www.ura.go.ug and is updated monthly. Now let's quickly compute taxes on an Isuzu Elf dump truck of 3 tons manufactured in 2010. Now, according to the Indicative Value Guide, the customs value for this vehicle is 7,379.88. Step 1. You convert the customs value to Ugandan shillings by multiplying this value with the monthly dollar exchange rate, currently at 3,744. This is provided by Bank of Uganda and is also available on the URA website. So the customs value for this truck now will be 7,379.88 times 3,744, meaning that the total value will be 27,630,271. Step 2 is to compute the taxes applicable. Import duty will be 25% of the customs value. So 25% times 27,630,271, meaning that import duty payable there will be 6,907,568. VAT will be computed at 18% of the sum of customs value added to the import duty, meaning that 18% of 34,537,839, meaning that VAT payable there will be 6,216,811. Withholding tax will be paid at 6% of the customs value. So 6% times 27,630,271, meaning that withholding tax payable will be 1,657,816. Remember, I have to pay infrastructure levy at 1.5% of the customs value. So 1.5% times 27,630,271, meaning infrastructure levy will be 414,478. Now, this goods vehicle was manufactured more than 9 years ago, so an environmental levy of 20% will be applied. So 20% times 27,630,271. So the environmental charge there will be 5,526,054. Remember, you have to pay the registration fees of 1 million, stamp duty of 35,000, and then form fees of 18,000 shillings. So the total taxes payable on this Isuzu will be 21,775,722 shillings. This computation can also be done using the motor vehicle tax calculator available on the URA website.
Uganda Revenue Authority, developing Uganda together.